Hi, I am Arjav Vijay Kumar Birari and together with Radesh Rajeshbhai Mahida, students of JB and SS Sarvajanik High School Viara, we have created Smart Ground Pesticide Robot, an alternative approach to modernize and more accessible automated pesticide spraying.
We wanted to find more effective and efficient way of spraying pesticide in farm like drone sprayer but more accessible, and that's how the idea of smart ground sprayer was born.
Our robot is equipped with advanced sensors and navigation technology such as magnetometer compass and GPS sensor, which allows it to move autonomously around the field. It can be controlled through remote and an Android application.
It can spray pesticide more effectively and efficiently, minimizing the overspraying and reducing overall amount of pesticide used by identifying temperature and humidity through sensors.
We worked tirelessly on this project, spending countless hours in designing and assembling the robot. It has gone through several iterations. It, as now, it has as now there is a controller which reads values from various sensors and act on it. There is a microprocessor which used to remotely transmit video signals.
We tested it rigorously to make sure it can operate flawlessly in the real world setting. Through this process, we have tuned flows, add additional controls in application and controller. As of result, it can be controlled by using a dedicated remote and application.
My role was to design and implement the navigation system which allows the robot to move around the field.
And I focused on spraying mechanism, make sure it can spray pesticide more efficiently and accurately.
Now let's see the robot in action.